Okay, in this video I'm going to show the difference in tool offsets. So I've got tool 1 set up now, and this set of leads here actually hooks to Acorn, and this gauge that's on here is actually a known size, and it's calibrated and insulated so that it has a lead hooked to the bottom of it, and it works as a touch gauge just like the other one. And what I do is first I got to tell it which tool. Tool 1 is your master tool, so it has no offset. I have to tell it where it is and it'll automatically touch it. So I got to tell it it's X diameter, so I click on X diameter, tell it to automatically touch it, and it'll run in, touch the tool. Now it's going to run in real slow and touch the tool, and it'll set its X diameter. Okay, now I'm going to come up here. I'm going to move off. That's already set. I moved out, over, back into the front, and now I'm going to tell it to do the Z reference, which is right here, and I'll tell it to automatically touch it, which is if I press there, it'll automatically touch it. I'm sorry, I know this is jumpy. And it'll automatically move in, touch off. It's going to come in real slow so it's accurate. Okay, now it knows automatically where tool, if you look, tool 1, its X and Z offsets are 0. So what I want to do now is move to tool 3 and compare it. So I'll back away. I'm going to tell it to go to, I'm going to click on automatic tool changer, tell it to go to tool 3, hit enter. It'll rotate to tool 3. Now it's going to take a comparison of tool 3. I gotta hook my ground up. Now it's going to compare tool 3 to tool 1, but it's going to do them both automatically. So I'm just going to move up here close so the tool, I could get a good view of it, and you can see I'm going to tell it to automatically measure the tool. I'm going to tell it to measure Z and X. And you'll see it move in fast and then move in slow. So now it knows where Z0 is for tool 3. And it's going to come over and automatically set X for tool 3. And now tool 3, if you look, the offset difference is there's a difference in length and there's a difference in the Z offsets. And now those, if I click save, now it remembers the difference between those tools, and each time the tool changer rotates to the next tool, it'll automatically know the difference of where its X and Z zeros are. I hope that made sense. I'm kind of jumpy and moving around a lot, but that automatically sets the tool offsets.